Okay, I'm still thinking about Father's Day, excuse me, and trying to come up with things to suggest that y'all might like to cook if you're cooking for Father's Day. And I'm gonna cook some corn fritters. And if you like hush puppies, this is much like a hush puppy. And it would be good with barbecue chicken, ribs, fried chicken, scrambled eggs. It'd be good with anything, y'all. So I got my cast iron little pot. I got my heat. Well, darn, it went off. Wow. I don't know how that happened. I had it preheated.
Push the pot back a little bit. It's not.
It's on perfectly from this angle.
That little flame's coming up the back side. So.
Well, now it's coming up the front side. Okay, so to start these little corn fritters, I've got corn, and the recipe is at the Southern Table cookbook, and this is what they're gonna look like. So I've got a skillet preheating to cook my chopped onions and this is frozen corn niblets. So I'm gonna cook these things for about 5 minutes maybe. And I'm gonna put just a little butter in the pan. I mean, just a wee little. It doesn't take a whole bunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and my corn. Like I said, this is very, very much like a hush puppy. Only hush puppies, I don't normally put corn in them. But this is diced so tiny and nice. Teresa done diced it up nicely. I am gonna add just a little bit more. Just another little teeny bit of butter. And like I said, about 5 minutes, this should be ready. And over here, I've got cornmeal, I've got flour, I've got salt, I've got buttermilk, and I've got 1 egg. So I'm gonna go ahead and find me a bowl, and there it is. I'm gonna add these while our corn and onions are cooking. And my heat is still good. It's not ready. You know, one of the tricks to testing your grease is to stick a wooden spoon in it. And if it sizzles, it's getting close. That one didn't sizzle at all. And I'm gonna add my salt. And I'm just gonna whisk this together to get it mixed up good. I'm gonna move the egg to a bigger bowl so I can whisk it up. All right, this doesn't take a lot of mixing. You just want to mix it, y'all, till your dry ingredients are all moistened. I want to show everybody a little trick that works real good when you're trying to drop batter into some hot grease. There's the thunder again, isn't it? Did I hear it? I just love dreary weather. That sounds strange, but I just love it. All right, I think that's been about 5 minutes. I told y'all this was my favorite. This was part of our giveaway this Monday. And see, I have just used it and caught it on fire one time accidentally. But I just love this hot plate, hot pot holder. Okay, now I didn't cook these for long because I don't want to cook them until they're mush because I want you to be able to taste the corn and the onions. All right. So when you're trying to dip a batter like this into a grease pot, you want to stick your spoon in water first, and then it'll just roll off. So, okay, I think our grease is finally hot enough. So I'm going to take that corn fritter out because I'm sure it got greasy, you know, from sitting in that grease. So I'm going to start dropping them. And when you're doing corn fritters or fruit fritters, anything like that, you need to try to flip them early because they'll get bottom heavy. See how that water just makes them slide right on off? No pushing it off. No having to push it off. So I'm gonna stop now and start flipping. It'll take about 3 minutes per side, but like I said, they'll get top heavy if you don't start flipping them. And then it's hard to get them flipped over. There we go. So we'll just keep flipping them around. Like I said, about 3 minutes per side. Okay, this batch is ready. And while I was standing up here frying these, Teresa said, I just think that's such a strange combination to have fontina cheese in it. I said, there was no cheese on the counter. She said, I didn't pull the cheese out of the refrigerator. I said, no. And I didn't check behind her. So I'm gonna add some fontina cheese to the batter that I got left. And it's all right, we'll have some cheese and some without. That's all right, Teresa. And here's the ones without cheese. See the corn in it? Would you like them? Yum. So with or without cheese, they're good.
Oh, they're gonna be good with the cheese. So.
It'll be different. All right, here we go. These are so easy to make, y'all, and I think you'll love them. And it'll be fine if I make them early in the day like this, because you know what? They'll heat up so beautifully in the air fryer. You'll get them just as crispy and good again. So take advantage of, you know, being able to do this ahead of time and take advantage of that beautiful Paula Deen air fryer, which we can't get anymore.
Okay, you gotta taste the one with the fontina.
Yes, yes, yes. So, Kokomo. Y'all tell me which you like best. The real recipe or Teresa's recipe?
Are you sure you got one that?
They're hot, yes. Oh, yeah, this one just can't, yeah, this got cheese in it. Ooh.
Oh, that bone out my mouth. You stick it in yours.
They're so hot. And so stinking good.
Yeah.
Bon appetit to all you fathers out there. I'm trying to help y'all. I'm trying to help your wife have some ideas, or your partner, whoever is somebody's daddy. Oh. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.